Hi, this is Nathan with GoFig AI. GoFig is an intuitive data analytics platform that allows you to pull in all of your data into one centralized location so you have full access and control over your own data for analytics, machine learning, and AI. Here, I'm going to demonstrate how you can use GoFig today to build your own warehouse and start doing analysis immediately. In my platform here, I have a number of data sets that I already pulled from QuickBooks, Google Ads, and HubSpot. When you pull in this data, you'll see that HubSpot sends you more than just a single table. It'll send you a ton of different tables, including your contacts, your companies, your deals, your engagements, your calls, your forms, etc., etc., etc. These tables are full of information that are incredibly valuable and are things that you will want to be able to have ownership of and access to so you can use this information to fuel decisions and investments that you make back in your business. If we wanted to add a new data set, what we'll do is we will select from the list of integrations that we have. We always are adding more integrations. Let's say we wanted to add data from ConvertKit, now known as Kit. We can pull in our API key and API secrets that are laid out in the documentation here, hit connect, and once we do that, the data should start loading into the data sources tab. Here's an example dashboard that we've already created for keywords. Let's show how we can replicate this. Let's create a column chart here and find that keywords table that we were just looking at and select the column that we want to group by in a dimension. In this case, it's going to be the keyword, which is add group criterion keyword text. This is what we get directly from Google AdWords. And the metric will be the column that we want to aggregate. So this is going to be impressions. We can sum this. And why don't we throw a second metric there as well? Why don't we also look at clicks? Because we want to see not just how many people view our posts, but also how many of those actually click on our posts. And we're going to order the results of this query by those that have the largest clicks. We'll hit query, and in a second, we'll see that data just like that pop up on the right-hand panel. This looks good, so we're going to continue. And now we have a visualization, our first chart that we created in GoFig. I'm going to play around with this a little bit. I'm going to turn the clicks into a line chart on the secondary axis and preview that. And we can see now that even though there's this big difference between the scale of impressions and clicks, we're able to visualize this in a clean format because we have a line chart on the secondary axis. Let's name this as impressions and clicks by keyword. Close this out, and now we have a beautiful chart here that we can keep track of and is automated, up to date with the latest information that we get on a daily basis from Google AdWords. For more complex analyses, you can even create workflows, which allow you to create no-code blocks in replace of SQL to manipulate and transform your data in any which way you want. For example, we can take an input data set, filter it by a set of parameters, and then apply a group and aggregate function to visualize a large data set into a smaller data set that has things in aggregations, applying formulas, and then saving those updated data sets into a new table so that you can then create a dashboard from that table. Stay tuned as we start to release some more machine learning and AI automation workflow nodes so that you can do even more with your data.